than one. I know you are a good head, Your Excellency, and Governor Kowa is another good head. What kind of leadership, president are you going to be? Are you going to devolve some powers to the vice president? Are you going to, for instance, hand over the mantle of leadership to him if you had need to leave this country? And also, are you going to be democratic in your approach to leadership relationship with your vice president? We want to know. Thank you.
I don't know, and I always know that two heads are better than one. Do you think I'm a crazy person to go and select Okowa? This is a first-class doctor from secondary school up to university. Even if I have done, I know how to look. I look at good people and say, this one is good, this one is not good. Okowa is a perfect vice president. And I can tell you that I suffered, from my own boss too. There are regulatory functions of the office of the vice president that you cannot take away. Regulatory, I mean, these are lawful functions of the vice president. They say, in the law setting up, they will say, the vice president is the chairman of this, the vice president is the chairman of that. My boss took them away. Now they were unlawful. Even the current vice president, what do you mean by Minister of Humanitarian Affairs? And you take all the agencies in the office of the vice president and you give it to the Minister of what is it? Huh? And these are all functions by law given to the office of the vice president. And they took it and gave it to the Minister of Humanitarian Affairs. What are you talking about? I'm not going to do that. Whatever is due to the office of the vice president, I will give him. I will even give him more.
Thank you, Your Excellency.